Here's how to change password in Fantasy Premier League. So first open the Fantasy Premier League application on your device, log into your specific account, then click on the More icon from the bottom right or the My PL settings option. Then select My Account from the top. Then select Account Security option, which is between email address and delete account option. Then you need to enter the current password that is associated with your account at the first field, followed by the new password that you want to set. And remember that your new password must have at least 8 characters and a mix of uppercase and lowercase as well, at least one number and one special character. You can also go ahead and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. If you want to do so, you can click on this option right here and follow the on-screen instructions. Then click on Save from the bottom of this menu and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again